Discover how Google can pay you $1, $500 a day simply by utilizing your phone and internet connection. It only takes 5 minutes to get started with this incredible opportunity. I've created a comprehensive and straightforward step-by-step guide to assist you in beginning this journey. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and join me on this exciting venture. Together, we will explore the easy methods that can lead you toward earning money effortlessly. With just a few simple actions, you'll be on your way to unlocking this income potential. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the strategies that will maximize your earnings. You'll discover tips and tricks that others have used to achieve financial freedom through this method. By following the outlined steps, you'll gain confidence and clarity as you navigate this exciting opportunity. Let's embark on this journey together and make your financial dreams a reality. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step, so let's take that step now. As we progress, you'll learn to leverage your resources effectively and maximize your time online. Soon you'll find that this simple endeavor can transform into a lucrative side income. A salary can never make you rich, but the opportunities of earning online are endless and accessible from anywhere in the world. You don't need a U.S. passport to earn well online. All you need is the right skill set and determination. Here are 25 remote jobs that can pay you $110 per hour, showcasing the vast potential of online work. As we explore each of these opportunities, you'll see how anyone, regardless of location, can tap into this lucrative market. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, as we will guide you step by step through each job option available. Stay tuned for in-depth insights on how to succeed in these roles and the skills you need to develop to thrive in the remote work environment. With dedication and the right mindset, achieving financial freedom through remote work is entirely possible for anyone willing to put in the effort. Join us on this journey as we uncover each job opportunity and share tips that will help you stand out in a competitive online marketplace. Let's dive into the first job on our list, highlighting its requirements, potential earnings, and how you can get started today. Finding a remote job can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially when 80% of people struggle to know where to look. However, there are specific websites that can significantly increase your chances of landing a remote position. First on the list is FlexJobs, a platform dedicated to remote part-time, freelance, and flexible jobs. Next up is We Work Remotely, which connects job seekers with a vast array of remote job opportunities across different sectors. Another great resource is Remote.co, a site that curates high-quality remote job listings from reputable companies. For tech enthusiasts, GitHub Jobs offers a dedicated space for remote positions in software development and tech-related fields. Additionally, RemoteOK is an excellent site that allows you to filter jobs by type and experience level, making your search more efficient. Furthermore, Jobspresso features expertly curated remote job listings across various industries and job types. Virtual Vocations is another valuable resource, offering a subscription service that provides access to thousands of vetted remote job listings. Unlock the potential of artificial intelligence and discover how you can start earning online by using advanced tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Imagine transforming your skills into a source of income, leveraging the capabilities of AI to enhance your creativity and productivity. In just a short time, you can learn 7 easy methods to monetize your skills and expertise with AI technology in 2025. To get started, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more valuable content. Once you've entered, dive into the guide and explore the innovative ways AI can help you build a profitable online career. Embrace the future of work, where AI tools not only enhance your capabilities, but also open new pathways to financial success. As you implement these strategies, watch your efforts translate into tangible results and discover the freedom that comes with earning online. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are also capitalizing on AI advancements to create their own success stories. Remember, the journey to financial independence begins with taking that first step toward learning and utilizing AI tools effectively. SQL is one of the most popular database query languages in the world, known for its powerful ability to manage and manipulate data. To help you master this essential skill, I have created a comprehensive set of handwritten notes. Originally priced at $49, these notes are available for free for the next 24 hours. Don't miss this limited time offer. It's the perfect opportunity to enhance your SQL knowledge. Simply like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more valuable content. With these notes, you'll gain a deeper understanding of SQL's functionalities and applications in real-world scenarios. Join countless others who are boosting their careers by mastering SQL through these notes. Take advantage of this chance to learn at your own pace and unlock new opportunities in the tech industry. Act quickly as this offer won't last long. Start your journey to becoming an SQL expert today. Empower yourself with the skills that are in high demand across various industries. Seize this opportunity to elevate your career and become indispensable in the data-driven world. Remember, learning SQL can open doors to roles in data analysis, database administration, and beyond. Unlocking the potential of faceless YouTube channels can seem like an elusive dream, but it's attainable with the right guide. By utilizing AI technology, anyone can automate the content creation process, making it easier than ever to start earning. The first step is to identify a niche that resonates with viewers and has a proven demand for content. Next, create a compelling channel name and brand that captures your target audience's attention at first glance. Once your brand is established, focus on developing engaging video scripts tailored to your chosen niche and audience preferences. With scripts in hand, you can leverage AI tools to generate voiceovers and visuals that bring your videos to life without the need for filming. After producing your videos, it's crucial to optimize them with SEO techniques to improve visibility and attract more viewers. To grow your audience effectively, regular uploads and consistent engagement with your viewers are key components of success. Finally, track your performance metrics to understand what works best and continuously refine your approach for maximum profitability. By following these steps, anyone can tap into the lucrative world of faceless YouTube and potentially earn substantial income with minimal effort. Unlocking the secrets to earning $2,000 per month with ChatGPT is now at your fingertips with my comprehensive AI Money Guide. This guide is packed with proven strategies and tips that have helped countless individuals transform their skills into a lucrative income stream. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can easily monetize your knowledge and expertise in various fields. Imagine turning your passion into profit, all while working from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this opportunity as I'm offering the guide for free today, an unbelievable value to jumpstart your journey. All you have to do is like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings with ChatGPT. Starting your journey to financial freedom has never been easier. The tools and knowledge are right at your fingertips. Dive into the guide, explore its insights, and watch as new doors of opportunity swing open for you. With consistent effort and the right mindset, you can achieve that $2,000 monthly income sooner than you think. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey starts now with the AI Money Guide in hand. Unlock the door to your future in technology with an exclusive opportunity to master cybersecurity available for free for the next 24 hours. This comprehensive course designed for beginners to advanced learners will equip you with the essential skills needed to excel in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. Taking this course can significantly enhance your resume, making you a competitive candidate for your dream role in the tech industry. Enroll now to seize this limited time offer, as the regular price of $290 is waived for just 1 day. To gain access, all you need to do is like this video and subscribe to stay updated on future opportunities and valuable content. Join thousands of other learners who have transformed their careers through this accessible and in-depth cybersecurity course. By dedicating just a few hours today, you can pave the way towards a fulfilling career that protects individuals and organizations from digital threats. Don't miss out on this chance to invest in your future and become an expert in a field with growing demand and endless possibilities. Take the leap today and let this course be the first step towards mastering cybersecurity and securing your ideal job. In this modern world, the most demanded skill is cybersecurity, a critical field that protects our digital lives. I have created a comprehensive guide on cybersecurity that covers essential topics and practical tips. To access this valuable resource, all you need to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity together. With new threats emerging daily, having the right knowledge is essential for anyone wanting to thrive in this field. Each chapter of the guide dives deep into key areas like network security, threat analysis, and data protection strategies. Understanding these concepts will empower you to safeguard your personal information and secure organizational assets effectively. As we explore these topics, you'll find practical examples and tools that can be applied in real-world scenarios. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the skills needed to identify vulnerabilities and respond to cyber threats confidently. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is always changing, and staying updated is key to maintaining your edge. Imagine transforming your passion for reading into a lucrative income, earning $500 per hour simply by diving into the pages of your favorite books. In this exclusive guide, I've outlined 10 proven methods that can help you achieve a remarkable $500 daily. While I normally charge $199 for this invaluable resource today, I'm offering it completely free of charge. All you need to do to access this incredible opportunity is to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Get ready to unlock the secrets of earning money through reading and take your first step toward financial freedom today. Every page you turn could potentially lead you to new wealth and opportunities beyond your wildest dreams. Embrace the power of knowledge and let it pave the way for a brighter financial future. With each method you implement, you'll discover how to maximize your reading time into a valuable income source. Don't miss this chance to transform your reading habit into a profitable endeavor that can change your life. Imagine the possibilities that await you as you harness your love for books to generate a steady stream of income. Working as an Amazon affiliate has transformed my financial landscape, allowing me to earn over $8,400 a month. Just by dedicating 20 minutes a day, I found a pathway to success that anyone can follow. Yes, even beginners can dive into this opportunity and start seeing results quickly. Want to learn how to get started? Follow these simple steps to get the blueprint you need for success. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos that will guide you on your affiliate journey. With each video, you'll gain valuable insights that can propel your earnings even higher. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicating just a small amount of time each day can lead to significant results. As you implement these strategies, you'll discover the secrets behind successful affiliate marketing. Stay engaged with the community, learning from others' experiences and sharing your own successes. Embrace the journey and don't hesitate to adapt your approach as you learn what works best for you. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, as they are stepping stones to greater achievements. Ultimately, the key to thriving as an Amazon affiliate lies in persistence and a willingness to learn. So gear up and take the first step towards unlocking your potential in the world of affiliate marketing.